Hi everyone, it's just me, Miss Nikki Rare. I hope you're all well and staying safe. Excuse my bed hair, I haven't just woke up, I just couldn't be asked to do my hair. So today I thought I would come on and do a little unboxing video as I've just received a lovely little package from DUcare Beauty UK. And they are the Mojito 14-piece makeup brush set. So it comes in this lovely green box with the DUcare logo inside, with a handy little makeup brush bag, which I know I'm going to find really useful. If you watch me do my makeup live on TikTok, you know I can never ever find the right brush for my face. So I know I'm going to find that really useful. Also comes with 3 beauty blenders or makeup sponges, which I am desperate for, so thank you very much. They're a nice little added extra in there. Also comes with an instruction booklet, so if you are unfamiliar with however any of the 14 makeup brushes are used, this will be really useful for you. I know when I first started doing makeup I would have found that really handy. Now look at these absolutely gorgeous makeup brushes. Beautiful colour, really nicely shaped handle, you can get a really nice grip on there. I know sometimes I struggle because I shake a lot due to anxiety, but you get a really nice grip on there and it is so soft. Honestly, I don't think I've felt anything so soft before. They all came individually wrapped, so they stay snug as a bug when they're being shipped, nothing happens to them. They all came perfectly presented. So if you would like your Mojito 14 brush makeup set, then head over to DUcare Beauty UK and you can grab yours for $28.99 or receive 15% off with code Nikki15. I will also be doing my makeup live right now to show you how these are used and how good of a quality they are. So if you would like to see, then head over to my live. I will also be adding a link in the description or the comments. If you can't find that, you can also follow DUcare on TikTok. So I'll speak to you all soon. Love yous lots.